Okay, I'm just going to do a review here. This is a 1-year review on the Miracle A7 Plus. I wanted to wait to do this review because I wanted to see how the crystal display, or the LED display, whatever you want to call it, I don't know what it's made out of, how it worked in the cold. And as you see outside, we have snow. It gets down to about 9 degrees right now at night, and it works perfect. It doesn't slow it down or anything. I'm doing a forward key here. I'm just going to go to hit cut. I already got it in the jaws at the right spacing. We're going to hit OK. It says, do you want to proceed? Hit enter for OK. Okay. Close that down so I don't get bits in my computer. Turn off the light. Now this machine, it does do laser cut key and edge key, automotive keys only. It doesn't do residential keys or commercial keys, just an automotive duplicator. I couldn't be more happy with it. I use this virtually every day or every other day when I'm on a car job. And I guess I'd give it probably a 5-star rating. You know, I've had it for a year, and it always works. I never have it not work. Now, I can only speak because this is a Chinese machine. It's not, I don't believe it's a real Miracle. They're from Korea. It's made in China. I bought it off of DHK for $1,100. And I noticed there's 2 different models. So the model I have is the one with a handle here, and the other model has a silver handle up top here. So let's go try this key I cut. Help if I don't drop it all over. Alright. And grab my program. Alright. My van. This is a customer's car I'm working on. Let's give it a try. Works perfect. Let's try it in the ignition here. Works perfect. I always turn off the radio and turn off the... I'm just going to plug in my programmer. I'm going to use the SBB because this is an older car. Anyways, that's a review on the Miracle A7.